in this beautiful foil. This is my second season with it as a designer. So we are providing nice, beautiful bridal jewelry in ivory, red and black collection, which will be highlighted by the jewelry designers of the DOI.
Boa. Iyaligay. Santa Julia Parliament. Ayy pe. चलो सही है मुर्गा गया कि है भी
चलो यार एक बार बता देना ऐसे ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल के साथ खड़े फोटो सही आ रहा नहीं आ रहा
आपकी वजह से jewelry designers and designers to get this sustainable growth in our industry. Yes. This is my mission and vision. Renowned stylist designer from our very own Bollywood fashion industry, and she's the one who also designed beautiful attires for Ankita Lokhande for Big Boss. And here at the Designers of India Forum 2K24, we are truly thankful to have the very beautiful, gorgeous, and the numero uno, Hemlata. Thank you.
Thank you so much for introducing me with amazing line of introduction. But yes, I love curating look in first place. I have an eye for fancy things. I always term everything, oh I love fancy. So yes, from this event I've realized that there's so much fashion and jewelry industry can go learn and grow depending on each other for every look. And from this event I take this experience that yes, I should attend more events, get to know more people, understand that there's so much more in jewelry industry we stylists should take from and incorporate in our styling.
थैंक यू
Thank you.
Thank you, Hemlata. Thank you so much.
जा रहे हैं आप सबके थैंक यू आदित्य है ना ये एक ही साथ हो जाएगा
Yes, hi, I'm Jia Bhagia. I am the fashion stylist in Bollywood for films and web series. And it was really, I'm really glad to be a part of this event as I have learned that how we can incorporate jewelry first into the costumes and how we can collaborate with jewelry more and more and make our outfits more prettier and thank you.
Thank you to our friends from the media. I'm so overwhelmed to be here at our season 5 of the Designers of India Forum, Designers of India Awards, and Designers of India Fashion, founded by a very magnificent and the woman of substance, Shruti Sharma. Shruti has been in the jewelry sector for the past 23 years, and what she has created is absolutely for the very first time in our country, India. We're truly proud of her, and of course you'll get to hear from Shruti. She will tell us a little bit about, this is season 5 Designers of India. We are here at Royal Taj, Santa Cruz. What do you like to say to our friends from the media? The world is watching us today.
So actually I'm so grateful that all the dignitaries are there, all big brands are here to support designers. I have got this platform called Designers of India, founded in 2018, and I would encourage and collaborate with designers where I can be great.
Independent creator. I was invited as a panelist for this event, and I thank Shrishti ji for calling me here and what she is doing for the industry and for the designers. Very happy. I wish all the designers all the best, all the very best for their future, and hope to see all the designers very soon, and hope to meet everyone at such event, many more events. Yeah. Thank you so much.
As we have NCA who's joined us here all the way from Turkey. She's a very renowned jewelry designer and is associated with Designers of India. As we all know that Shrishti has this passion about jewelry, and she makes sure that we all connect together, everyone from all across the world, because it's all about we coming together to give that beautiful jewelry, to give that beautiful statement piece to every individual for a remembrance forever. So thank you to Shrishti, thank you NCA for joining us here. Salam, Assalamu alaikum, and Shukran for being here with us. This is a very, very beautiful feeling. As we all know, we need to consider a lot of aspects जब jewelry designing की बात आती है जो सृष्टि से ज़्यादा कौन जान सकता है, मैंने सब उन्हीं से सीखा है. So हमारे cultures बहुत similar है, especially the Persian culture as far as spiritualistic and spiritualism is concerned, belief in Sufism is concerned. So it is a very, very beautiful and wonderful feeling. Thank you for joining us here. You just want to say hello to everyone? Hello. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm going to ask Shrishti, we have here at our beautiful forum and awards night of DOI, we have just season 5 and we have designers from all across the world. How is it possible? How do you make it possible year after year to be, you know, absolutely and explore and go ahead and give this opportunity to everyone, please? हाँ. कौन सी कहावत?
अगर आप दिल से कुछ भी करते हो तो कायनात भी
जुड़ जाती
आपके
है.
साथ जुड़ जाती है.
बिल्कुल.
मेरे साथ same होती है. So when I started this platform, believe me, I don't know how I'm here. It's like universe.
I've seen her. Shrishti न सिर्फ दिल से काम करती है, but she works with her soul. You're a soulful Shrishti Sharma. SSS you should be. So thank you so much. Achal Jewels. Mr. Vikas Mehta, Achal Jewels is one of the leading jewelry brands and it's such a huge honor to have you here at DOI. क्या कहना चाहेंगे, you know, about the jewelry sector और अभी इतना कुछ experience लिया हमने at the Big Fat Wedding. The non-stop seasons जो चल रहे हैं, it's only about jewelry जो सबके नजरों में है. So what do you think is trendy for your association with designers of India?
अभी सबसे अच्छा टाइम है कि आफ्टर अगस्त टोटल सीजन स्टार्ट हो जाता है डोमेस्टिक मार्केट पूरा, क्योंकि अभी सबसे ज़्यादा वेडिंग्स अभी स्टार्ट हो जाती है. सितंबर से लेके मार्च तक कंटिन्यू वेडिंग सीजन रहता है इंडिया में. और अभी रिसेंट जो सबसे बड़ा धमाका हुआ है अम्बानी शादी का, उसमें काफ़ी ट्रेंड जोड़ने का वापस लोगों के पास है. वेरी गुड क्वालिटी का एमरल्ड, फूल की एंड डायमंड ज्वेलरी काफ़ी ट्रेंड मार्केट में आया. एक ट्रेंड सेट हो गया है मार्केट के अंदर. और सेकंड चीज़ है, जैसे आज हम लोग सुबह से DOI का सुबह से हम लोग इवेंट अटेंड कर रहे हैं. डिफरेंट लोगों से मिलना हुआ, उनसे एक मोटा एक ब्रीफ आया है कि ज्वेलरी आफ्टर अगस्त जब ये सीजन ओपन होगा तो काफ़ी वंडरफुल होगा. नए चैलेंजेज है मार्केट के, डिजाइनिंग पैटर्न चेंज हुआ है और लोगों की रिक्वायरमेंट चेंज हुई है. लेकिन ज्वेलरी में हम लोग बहुत एडवांस हैं और उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग पूरा प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं. और IIJS अभी आने वाला है जो हमारा सबसे बड़ा शो होता है पूरे ईयर का. उस शो के अंदर हम लोग पूरी रेंज लेके आ रहे हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप की रेंज, और हम लोग वहाँ हाईलाइट करेंगे, शोकेस करेंगे हमारी ज्वेलरी. और आई होप ये ईयर बहुत अच्छा जाना चाहिए, यही हमारी उम्मीद है. और DOI ने जिस तरह से इस इनिशिएटिव किया है और पर्टिकुलर एक अलग प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिया में क्रिएट करा हुआ है, जिससे मैं थैंक यू बोलूँगा उनको. और ये प्लेटफॉर्म को बहुत आगे लेके जाएँ और हम इसको कैसे स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सकते हैं उसके लिए हम पूरी मेहनत करेंगे और हम सपोर्ट करेंगे. थैंक यू.
एक मिनट सर, एक फोटो.
People in the industry and talking more about business and problems and even wins and losses. You know, I think a lot of people get to learn. So it's been a true pleasure. And thank you DOI, thank you Sukaran, and just thanks to the entire fraternity. Thank you very much.
Sahil Doshi ji is here with us and please kindly join us here. I need to have a picture with you and I need to thank you for the beautiful ivory rose.
विजुअल करना विजुअल.
Jewelry Trade Magazine. The fifth edition of the DOI forum has started very well. We had two very important panel discussions. We had eminent jewelry retailers from all over India who have come. And also with the launch of Jewelry Design Council, it is giving a very unique platform to the jewelry designers to connect with the manufacturers, retailers, launch their own products and become a successful entrepreneur. As you know, jewelry industry is very large in India. We have more than 5 lakh retailers and all the designs which comes to the retail shops have some role with the designers, then it goes to manufacturing. So with this, we hope the quality of designs will improve and the designers will get their much needed platform and much needed voice to come together. Our best wishes to the designers of India. Thank you.
क्या बोले देखो
Very humbled to be here at the 5th edition of the Designers of India Forum, followed by the Designer of India Awards and the Designers of India Fashion Extravaganza. I'm truly humbled to meet this magnificent lady who's completely a powerhouse of talent. She gives an opportunity to the Gen Z and allows all the youth of today to get into this beautiful world of jewelry, and all those who are passionate for designing of jewelry, give them a wondrous platform. I'm truly overwhelmed to be their official anchor, and my humble thanks to my dearest Shrishti Sharma for this fabulous opportunity that I have to be with you always with the Designers of India. This is one of its kind, and I'm truly elated to be here, क्योंकि जो हमारी Gen Z है, जो हमारी न्यू जनरेशन है, उन्हें ये मौका मिलता है of course interns बनने का with our renowned international brands. न सिर्फ वो, but उसके साथ साथ उन्हें stipend भी मिलता है. So I don't think there could be any better beginning for anyone who's kickstarting their career as a jewelry designer. In the world of gems, diamonds, and colored gemstones, we are here shining bright only at Designers of India. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Global Namaste. Love you guys.
थैंक यू
Thank you guys. Thank you please. Aditya, make sure they all eat. Khake jaye sir. Yeah, you can take few pictures.